Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on cryptography and network security lab. So in this video, I'm going to show you the practical application of mm, MD5 algorithm, that is generating the hash using MD5. Okay, first we need to import three packages. First package is java.math, which contains the big integer class, and second package is java security, which contains this message digest class, and third package is java.util, which contains the scanner class for taking input. Okay, so the class name is MD5 demo, and let's see the main function or main method. So here is the main method. So the main method throws no such algorithm exception, because whenever the Java compiler or Java runtime does not find this MD5, it is going to throw this no such algorithm exception. So that's why we have written it here. Okay, now first we are asking the user to enter a string for finding the hash. So we are using the scanner class for that. We are creating the object for scanner class. And we are using the next line in scanner class to read the line of text as input, and then we are passing this text to the function called getMD5 hash. Okay, so our code is written in getMD5 hash. So here is the method getMD5 hash. Okay, so it is taking one parameter, which is in the input string. So first in the try block, so this is a try block, we are creating object for message digest class, and we are using the get instance method, which is available in this class, and we are passing the parameter the MD5 algorithm. Okay, next, in this class there is a method called digest. So it is going to convert the input string into bytes format. It converts it into a byte array, and it is going to compute the hash, the MD5 hash, and it is going to store the result in this variable message digest. Okay, now we are converting this message digest, which is in byte array, to integer format by using the constructor of big integer. Okay, so you can see the byte input is being passed as a parameter to big integer constructor. So the resultant hash value is in the number format, and it is integer format, and it is stored in the variable number. Finally, we are converting this lengthy integer into a string, hexadecimal string, using the method toString by passing the value 16. So all of you know that hexadecimal base is 16, right? And finally, we are returning that string, hash string, which will be printed here. So that's all. This is the program for MD5 implementation. So let's execute this. So Java C MD5 demo.java. Okay, it's compiled. Let's execute MD5 demo.java. So it is asking me a string. So the input I am giving is this is a string to, let's give, this is a text string. Okay, you got the hash value. So if you see, the hash value contains 32 characters. Okay, let me run the program again. So this time I am going to make a little change here. This is a test string. Okay, now we got another hash value. I just made one character change. I converted this E into A. Okay, and I got this entirely new hash. So this kind of functionality provided by hash algorithms can be used in verifying the data integrity. Okay, so that's it about demonstrating MD5 algorithm. Thank you.